Hi, my name is Naomi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about the GUCCI Soho Disco bag. This one's obviously in red. We're going to be doing a review and also a what's inside my bag video. Just to start off, this bag is £805. I've had this for I think a year and a half now and I absolutely love it. The strap is adjustable so you can make it longer or shorter if you please. You do get quite a large tassel attached to the zip, so it makes it quite nice and easy to open and close, and you get the embossed logo at the front. The leather is kind of grained, so if you do get any kind of marks on it, it is less noticeable, and it does hold its shape really well, even when it's really full. So starting off with inside the bag, you literally get one big compartment, and mine is pretty much full to the brim. You can obviously get more in here than you need to. So to start off with, I've got my wallet in here. This is the GUCCI, I think it's the Marmont wallet, and it's just the small version because I don't like a big wallet because I don't like a big bag, so I need something that's going to fit in and not take up too much space, and that one's perfect considering I mainly only really carry around cards. Then I've got my sunglasses in here because the weather has been particularly nice recently, so I've been able to actually wear these, and these are the Celine, I'm pretty sure they're the butterfly sunglasses, and I love them. I'm literally obsessed. I feel literally so confident when I wear them, and I would definitely recommend them to everyone because I'm pretty sure everybody would see those. Next in here I've got a dozen lip products, so literally all three Fenty glosses because you never know when you're gonna need a lip gloss and you gotta have a colour for every occasion. I have a lipstick from Laura Mercier. This is in Amaretto Swirl. This is a gorgeous pinky nude, and it's so hydrating. It's kind of like a balm on its own. And then I've got the NARS Afterglow lip balm in Orgasm, so just the pink colour, just a really sheer lip balm. Basically adds a little bit of colour, so if you haven't got anything on, it's great. I always carry around paracetamol with me because you never know when you're going to have a headache. Hand sanitizer. I keep my keys in here, and I also keep a mini fragrance. So this is Laura Mercier Ombre Vanille. They only do these minis at Christmas time, so anytime I can get a set with them is amazing because they're perfect for your handbag. And then the handbag's pretty much empty. Yeah, it is a little bit grubby on the inside, but I'm not hugely bothered. I know I'm not going to resell the bag because I love it. You also do have your authenticity card and everything like that in here. On the inside it is cotton lining, and then you have the embroidered GUCCI on leather printed in here as well, which is a nice touch to the bag. That's pretty much it. You get three compartments in this one bag, so this back one here, and then the large center, and because the bag's not too big you can pretty much always find everything in here. Overall, I do think this bag is really lovely. I think the quality is really there with it as well. I've had it for a decent amount of time now to know what it's actually like, and I really love the bag. I think it's such a classic bag, and it goes with every outfit, especially because I always wear blacks and neutrals. It's quite nice to have a red bag so you can have a pop of colour in there. And I also think it just looks really chic and really kind of stylish, and is quite easy to dress up and dress down. I think for the money that you're paying, the bag is really lovely, and I would really recommend it to anyone who's looking at buying one. They have so many colours now as well, which is great. Also, I'm not the type of person who is overly caring with the bag. Obviously I do take care of it. I do keep it in its dust bag, and I do clean it before I put it back into the dust bag after use. There's no wear and tear in the bag. It still looks brand new. There's a couple tiny little bits that have got marks to it just on the corners, obviously where it's been placed on the floor. So if you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!